You're going to be so happy to do this glass stovetop cleaning with me. It's for electric cooktops, and I'm going to show you how to make it shine, just like in these photos.
Are you wondering how the heck to clean cooktops? I had no idea how to clean cooktops for electric ovens because I used to have a gas stove and I got really used to cooking on it. But now that I have an electric stove and it has a flat cooktop, I needed to figure out how to clean it because it was not looking so great in the sipbitego recipe videos, and also I wanted it to just look nice at home. So anyways, I'm gonna take you into the kitchen and I'm gonna show you how I use this little cleaning gel to clean my electric stove top cooktop. I don't even know what it's called really, but I'm gonna show you how I got it clean with just a couple of steps. It looks much better than it did before. Let me take you into the kitchen and show you how I did it.
Don't forget to subscribe to the sipbitego channel on YouTube for more delicious restaurant-style meals you can make at home. So the first thing you do to clean a black glass stovetop is to gently remove whatever burnt off food or grease is already on the cooktop. So a lot of the times it'll go weeks and you'll realize that you need to clean it. I don't know if you're busy with a toddler like I am, that's what happens. And first you want to get on anything that's been there a little while but is going to come off easily. So this is a food that was dropped along the way. So use a kitchen spray cleaner or just use some soap and water with a rag, a sponge, paper towel, or something else that's really soft and gentle, and take off whatever you can easily get off. And then it's basically time to call for reinforcement. So you want to apply a flat black stovetop cleaner, either a homemade DIY stovetop cleaner or a store-bought kitchen cleaning product like this white gel used in my guide. I just got it off of Amazon. I couldn't even tell you what it's called. Let's see, it's Cerama Byrite. Byrite? I don't know. Anyways, I didn't choose it other than the fact that it was highly rated to work on these glass black stovetops. So I went ahead and was scrubbing it. I just kind of laid it on gently at first. And then as you see, it's time to get more vigorous and really get in there and scrub at any stubborn stains. And in this, I'm using a paper towel. Sometimes I use a sponge too, but I don't use anything that's abrasive. And you should really stay away from anything that is abrasive or will scratch the stovetop further. So this is the perfect job for a sponge that's on its way to the trash can. It's really good to just use it and throw it out after this. So if you have any issues like food won't come off, then you really have a dirty baked on or caked on spot that you need to fight a little bit harder. So apply a little extra cleaner directly to the stovetop where it's needed the most and leave it on for 1 or 2 minutes. Your cleaner might tell you to leave it on for a different period of time. And if it still won't come off, you might want to try using a soft scrubbing brush or using an old toothbrush or something like that that'll scrub it a little bit harder. Once it's off, you might do a better job keeping it clean. So for those deep clean moments, those spring cleaning, those holidays are coming cleaning, it's good to get in there and do a good job so it stays nice for a long time. So now that the cooktop is clean, it's just time to make it sparkling clean. So you want to use a clean wet paper towel or some spray cleaner to clean off the residue that's left from any sort of white gel you use or whatever DIY cleaning product you're using for the stove. So here I'm just making sure all the stove looks really nice. Going in, I'm getting all those knobs, getting the back where the timer is, and going to get all of it so it looks really good in the videos that I make for you, but also just for us to enjoy at home. Yeah, that is so disgusting. And that was after the cleaning. Oh, that was just the extra little bit. Anyways, so the stovetop is looking really great at this step, but if you want to make it streak-free, wipe it with a dry, soft towel. So here we have this awesome microfiber towel, and I really find that when I need to clean the glass stovetop, the electric cooktop cleaning days that I put aside, it's always nice that I'm able to film a recipe video right after, and it has a really nice looking backdrop, I guess. Right after I cleaned this cooktop, I filmed this recipe video for the Italian caprese sandwiches that you'll find at sipbitego.com and on the sipbitego YouTube channel. Just look for the recipe. They're really delicious marinated chicken breasts that are cooked on the stove and then finished in the oven with mozzarella. And then once that all melts, I just put some delicious brioche buns on them and top with some basil, and they're ready for lunch.
Now, there's usually a lot of recipe videos going on here, but I just wanted to show you today how to clean a stovetop with a product. And since using the product and not just trying to clean it with a sponge or a rag or something, my stovetop looks a lot better. So anyways, make sure to follow sipbitego on YouTube and check out sipbitego.com for more delicious recipes cooked on my beautiful, sparkly little cooktop. So anyways, I hope that you have a wonderful, delicious, and beautifully clean day. Cheers!